Hi, I hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'm so excited to share my beloved super easy to make chocolate cake recipe. Spoiler, it's moist, chocolatey, rich, decadent. Okay, I'm clearly trolling. Let's start making it. Okay, let's start with preheating the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. We then grease and flour 2 9-inch cake pans with cooking straight, no lining needed. Next, we just simply add all ingredients in except for the flour and baking powder. Before beating everything together, we need to make our hot coffee. This is a must. Just 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with 1½ cup of water. Heat in microwave for 2½ to 3 minutes. You may also use your stronger than regular hot freshly brewed coffee. Beat on medium speed for 1 minute. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1½ tablespoon of baking powder. Mix and beat for just about 30 seconds. We then put in the hot boiling water, beat for 2 minutes, and our batter is ready for the baking. A few taps to pop large bubbles, we then bake into toothpick test. Comes out clean, which takes just about 25 to 30 minutes. It's a good time to leave out 2 sticks of butter near the stove so they will get to room temperature for making the frosting later. Nice and clean. Let the cakes cool down for 5 minutes before removing them from the pan. Now it's an option to cut off the cake dome. This tool from Amazon is amazing. We then let them cool down completely before frosting. Time to make our ridiculously delicious buttery chocolate cream frosting. Beat 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter for 15 seconds. We then divide the rest of ingredients in half, beat and repeat until creamy, which takes just about 3 minutes or so. Are you a beer licker like I am? So good. Time to frost. Ice cream scoop. Very handy. Basically, add as much frosting as you like. For the look of it, don't worry about it. It will improve naturally as you make more cake. This is all just optional. For the top, you may drizzle some shaved or chopped chocolate bits. For the side, I use a pastry cutter placed at a 30 degrees angle, then just spin it. You see there's still about 1 cup of frosting left. You may use for piping or adding more on the cake if you love more frosting. I also like to use this serrated scraper. Use the tip of the spatula to clean and with paper towel. And that's it. Time to cut it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be delicious. My video definitely isn't as good as the cake itself. This cake is just simply the best easy chocolate cake that never ever failed me. So I hope you give it a try. Before you go, be sure to like and subscribe for more great and easy recipes. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.